Welcome to TU Dublin's registration portal guide. When logging into the portal, make sure you use the assigned TU Dublin account given to you from our getonline@tudublin.ie mailbox. Once logged in, you'll be asked to set up the Microsoft Authenticator app. You can download it from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once downloaded, press Next on your PC or laptop screen until you're greeted with a QR code. On your phone with the Microsoft Authenticator app open, press Scan QR code and scan the QR code on your PC or laptop screen. This will link your Authenticator to your TU Dublin account. Press Next on your PC or laptop and type the 2-digit code given into your Authenticator app. You will now be asked to link your mobile number too. Pick your mobile provider's country and input your number. Microsoft will send you a 6-digit number via text. Input this now into your PC or laptop. Once done, your MFA settings are now configured correctly.